Hello, welcome to teachwrite.me. So today in this session we will be discussing about the general characters of annelids. You can see here the general character of annelids. That means the brief overview about the annelids. Okay, so let's start the video. So you can see the examples for the annelids. Here the examples are like the earthworm. These both are the earthworms, and we can see a leech here. So you can say that earthworm and leech are the examples for annelids. So now let's discuss the general characters of annelids. So basically, if we discuss the general characters of annelids, the basic question comes to mind that where does the annelids live? Okay, so the annelids may live in fresh water, either in the fresh water or marine water. That means ocean water or sea water. Okay, or they may also be terrestrial. That means they can live on the land as well. So now the body is triploblastic. Triploblastic means, what does triploblastic means? That the body is having ectoderm, endoderm and mesoderm. So let me take back you to the previous slide. So here the ectoderm is the outer layer. Okay, the endoderm is the inner layers and the mesoderm is the middle layer. Okay, so the body is having all the three layers. Okay, so let me show you here that if this is the ectoderm, the endoderm will be here, and the mesoderm, endoderm will be inside, totally inside, and the mesoderm will be in the middle. Ectoderm, endoderm and mesoderm. Okay, so the body has rings internally and externally. These rings are called as segments. So let me take to the next slide. That the body, you can see here, the body is having what? The body is having rings. Okay, throughout the body, it means the rings is present in the total body, throughout the body. Okay, so due to this, the body is divided into segments. You can see here segments. These rings are called as segments. Okay, and what do we have next? That alimentary canal is present throughout the body. We all know that the alimentary canal, you all know, right? So the alimentary canal starts from the mouth and ends to the anus. So alimentary canal is complete and is present throughout the body. Next, the symmetry is bilateral. Bilateral means, let me show you, let me make you understand that. Suppose this is the organism. Suppose, let us say this is the leech. Now, bilateral symmetry means you can cut this leech into two equal halves only in only one plane. Okay, you can cut the leech in only one plane. Actually, this, like, the leech is like this. Okay, so you can cut the leech into two equal half on in only one plane, and this is the plane. Okay, so bilateral means you can cut only in one plane. You can cut the organism only in one plane. So again, this is the leech. So the bilateral symmetry means only one plane. You can, if a plane is passing through the axis, so you can get these two equal halves. Okay, now respiration. Respiration is maybe via gills or by the skin. Okay, so we have two types of respiration here. We have cutaneous respiration, that means the respiration is via skin, and we also have the respiration through gills. Okay, so excretory system. When we say excretory system, the excretion is via nephridia. Okay, now reproduction. Reproduction is by sexual method. Okay, so let's talk about the development. If the development of the organism is direct, we don't see any type of larva. If the development is indirect, we see trochophore larva. So development is direct and also indirect, but in the direct development the larva is not seen. In the indirect development we see trochophore larva. Is that clear? And this was all about the general characters of annelids. And that's it, students. If you like this, video, please share and subscribe to our channel. And thank you.